Hi, in this video we are going to see the reports. So student reports, and we are going to see the attendance report, which we have already taken the attendance. So attendance by date, we are coming here to see the attendance by date report. If we click on this, select class, playgroup, section A, and the date, and we search here. So this is the report generated for the attendance today. Uh, if you want to print it out, you can go from here and print. So a report will be printed and proper details showing your school logo, institute name, address, contact number, and email address, which you can print out for your official records. And if you go to yesterday's one and you search it, it says holiday. So attendance is holiday, no present, nothing at all. And if you want to print this one, it will showing as holiday. So that was the attendance report you can print out for your record. Thanks a lot for this.